Can you make reading list private on Wattpad? Let's get started. In this guide, I'm going to clear out whether you are able to make your reading list private on Wattpad or not. First, launch your Wattpad, then navigate to the reading list page. For that, click on this option given at the bottom middle. Now head over to the section Reading List. In this page, you're going to find all of your reading list. Now open any of it. Click on three dots given at the top right. You are able to add stories to list, edit reading list, rename reading list, delete reading list, but there's no such option within Wattpad to make it private. At the moment, you are not able to make your reading list private at Wattpad. People can go through your reading list. If in the future Wattpad comes up with this kind of feature to make reading list private, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's the wrap for this video. I hope you guys are clear if you are able to make your reading list private on Wattpad or not. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.